Okay, ladies, let's talk about eye creams. Okay, so I have 3 eye creams I'm going to share with you tonight, and I want you to decide which one is best for you. Okay, so depending on what areas it targets and what it does, they all do similar things, but they also do some different things. And so you need to definitely be aware of what the products do and which one fits you. Okay, so let me go back and talk just for a minute about the eye area. Again, like I've told you before, if you watch my videos and stuff, I've told you many times about how this eye area is 1/4 less thick than any other area. Okay, so it's thinning. Okay, the eye area is a thinning area. You definitely want to take extra special care of that area. Okay, what happens in that area? One, it will become puffy. Okay, that's something that does happen. Increased puffiness will happen, and so you want to increase your water intake when your eyes are like dark and puffy. Those are things that you want to just make sure you just naturally do. Okay, and so what happens is the darkness comes from the increased melanin in the skin. Okay, so we want to decrease some of the melanin in that area, okay, to remove the darkness. So that's one thing that you want to do. You want to increase ingredients on the eye area. They're going to brighten the eye area. Okay, so you're looking for ingredients such as niacin. Okay, niacin is a brightening agent. You're looking for an ingredient called panthenol. Panthenol will fade the darkness. So those are two ingredients that if you are having darkness in the area underneath the eyes, okay, because of increased melanin, okay, then you need to make sure you're looking for an eye cream that has those 2 ingredients in it, the brightening agent, niacin, and then panthenol, if I'm saying that correctly, which fades the darkness. So those are 2 things that you definitely want to look for, okay? So let's just go back and let's talk about the firming eye cream, the Timewise firming eye cream, what this does, okay? Now, the first thing I want you to know is that all the eye creams should be used twice a day, day and night. If you want results of anything, any product that you're using, you want to use them daily, morning and night. Okay, so the first thing that this has in it, it has the panthenol in it. So it does have the ingredient that fades darkness. Okay, what else does this do? Well, obviously it's an eye cream. All the eye creams I'm going to share with you are all going to moisturize. Okay, this is also going to smooth and improve the texture around the eye area. Okay, it's going to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It is going to brighten the skin as well. Okay, I already told you about the darkness. This is going to help with the darkness because of the panthenol that's in it. It's going to improve the overall appearance of the skin. Okay, so those are the things that it does. Okay, so let me go over that again. It moisturizes, it improves smooths and improves the texture of the skin. It does decrease fine lines and wrinkles. It does brighten the skin. It does get rid of the darkness. It has the panthenol in it. And it improves the overall appearance of the skin. This is the Timewise Firming Eye Cream. Okay? All right, I know it's a lot of stuff, but if you want to go back and, and do this on replay, then you can go back and watch this later, okay? And kind of like write that down. Okay, the next thing, the Timewise Age Minimizing 3D Eye Cream. Okay, so this comes in the Miracle Set. So let's talk about this eye cream. Okay, so this does more. It has more things than this one does. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, so that was the first eye cream. And then let's say you just want more. So I'm going to move you to this eye cream if you want a little bit more. So it does all the same things I just now listed for the firming eye cream. All the same things. But let me tell you what it does in addition to that. Okay, it does help with the puffiness. Okay, it does help with under eye puffiness. And it does also include an age minimizing 3D complex, okay, which is in the Miracle Set, okay? So it has the brightening agent, it has the niacin in it, okay, the brightening agent. It also has the panthenol in it, so it has both. which fades the darkness. Okay, it has the reversatol in it that reverses the fine lines and wrinkles. So it has the age fighting peptides in it. So it has all those ingredients that are in that age fighting complex that is in the Miracle Set, which is in all the other products in the Miracle Set. It has all that in the eye cream as well, in addition to the niacin and the panthenol. Okay, so it really does have a lot of great things in this product. Okay, so everything that the other eye cream has, it moisturizes, it protects, it minimizes fine lines and wrinkles, it diminishes the dark circles. So it does all those things, y'all. Under eye puffiness is an addition that the firming does too. But the other thing is that this is a little bit thicker cream. The firming eye cream is a little bit thicker. This is thinner and absorbs really quick. That's one thing I like about it. It's very lightweight and absorbs very, very quickly in the eye area. Okay. Another thing is when you have a thicker cream, you might have to wait a couple of minutes before you put your eye makeup on. If you're using, obviously in the mornings, but this has a very minimal wait time because it absorbs so quickly. You just put it on like really quick, and it's, before you even go back to put your makeup on, it's already dry. Okay, so that is a perk as well. Okay, so this is the 3D eye cream, which is a thinner cream. And it does all the things that the firming eye cream does, but it has that added complex in it, the 3D complex. So it does have the niacin in it, which the firming eye cream does not. Okay, all right. Now, this is the other eye cream. Okay, so this is the Repair, the Voluform Eye Renewal eye cream. Okay, so it does all the things in addition to some other things that I'm going to go over with you. Okay, so this has some vitamin A in it. This also has the peptides in it. This minimizes that melanin. Okay, this has the liquid crystals in it. And so it has a couple of other things. So it has the Voluform complex, which this has the age fighting complex. This has a little bit more ingredients in it, which has the Voluform complex. Okay, so let me see. It does every single thing the other two eye creams do, in addition to firms and tones sagging skin around the eyes and eyelids. Woo, that's important for some women, of course. It targets crepiness and dry skin. So it's most moisturizing, the most moisture get between the other two. So it has the most moisturizing in it, okay? What's the other thing? Minimizes the appearance of deep wrinkles, okay? So it does, the other two do help with fine lines and wrinkles, but this is for deeper wrinkles, okay? So the appearance of droopy eyelids. Again, this is a lifting and firming cream, so you can put it on the eyelid. So it does help with drooping eyelids. The eyes appear more bright and radiant, so it does have the brightening complex as the other age minimizing eye cream has the brightening complex as well. It has a unique cooling applicator to help stimulate microcirculation and help reduce puffiness. Okay, so this has a special little tip on it that has several different metals in it, and it's cooling, so it's cool to touch, and so it helps with the puffiness underneath the eye area, the cooling, refreshing the eye area, and it calms and soothes the eye area as well. Daily, so it's day and night. And what did I miss? That's pretty much everything. When you're using the eye creams, you want to use your ring fingers to pat the eye area. It's very, very important. You don't pull and rub and tug. You want to just pat, okay? And so, so there you have it. 3 great eye creams, okay? Let me put them in order, okay? 3 great eye creams. You have your firming eye cream, you have your age fighting 3D, and you have your Voluform. They're all great eye creams. They all moisturize the eye area. If you're not using an eye cream, I would absolutely select an eye cream for you that works best for you. Everyone should be using an eye cream, ladies, every morning, every night. It's It's so important. Like I said, that skin is a fourth less thick than any other skin. It's thinner. It needs special treatment. Okay, it really does require extra hydration and moisturization around the eye area. And so, which one works best? Which one do you feel like suits you? I would definitely get one. Try it out. If you want to add a little bit more, start off with your firming eye cream. If you're already on the Miracle set, hopefully you are using this eye cream. And then if you're on the Volume Firm set, hopefully you're using this eye cream. But if not, it doesn't matter which eye cream suits you. It doesn't matter which one, but there is one for sure for you. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you learned something about our eye creams. Get with your consultant. Make sure you grab you one. Consultants, if you're not on eye creams, you absolutely want to get you on. You want to get yourself on one and try them out yourself to see which one that you like the best. So I hope you enjoyed that, everyone. Thank you so much. Bye.